Boy CJ. It's been a long time since I've been rapping, so yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get back on track, nigga.
Now we cold, my niggas ain't no joke. And we keep them blows, so please don't get smoked. Fuck around, don't fuck around, so fuck around and get smoked. Fuck around, don't fuck around, so fuck around and get smoked. Now we cold, my niggas ain't no joke.
Okay.
And we keep them blows,
Okay.
so please don't get smoked.
Nigga.
Fuck around, don't fuck around, so
Yo, CJ's back, bitch. Just make sure you tell me, alright?
don't fuck around, so fuck around and get smoked.
Look, my swag is on infinity. These niggas can't even get to me, cause my swag is on a billion. Daddy do be hating on me, I don't care. My life is unfair, cause I pulled out with the Lambo, and I see these niggas riding in Honda. I don't care, I'm on the top, nigga. I am like a rocket, and I put it in your girl's mouth. Then we take it south. I don't care, I'm proud. I talk about my team all the time. I'm looking to the money, motherfucker. Stop wasting time, I'm getting there. Who you talking to like that? I will get my gun out, and I will end you, and I will murder your crew. And that's just how I do, cause I'm swagging with my gang. Get your girl, that's a bang, dude. And yeah, chop it with the drum. I don't care, I'll let it go. Bang, 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 and you done. Yeah, chillin' with my niggas.
My niggas ain't no joke, and we keep them blows, so please don't get smoked. Fuck around, don't fuck around, so fuck around and get smoked. Fuck around, don't fuck around, so fuck around and get smoked. Now we cold, my niggas ain't no joke, and we keep them blows, so please don't get smoked. Fuck around, don't fuck around, so fuck around and get smoked.
Beast mode, cuz. Look, I'm done playing with these motherfuckers. They can suck my dick, I don't care about this shit. Man, I'm going hardcore. Leave your body on the shore, cause these little niggas rapping, well, I just get bored. This dedication for, yeah, it came out, but that shit is nothing compared to me now, cause I'm like on the top and you at the bottom, and I kill all these motherfuckers. Stop saving hoes, no Gotham, no problem. I don't give a fuck. Nigga swagging every day, get off my dick. I don't care about these bitches, I care about my riches. I keep the gun close just in case if I see snitches. Yeah. Shout out to Kyrie, and I'm killing this for my team. Just know I am the best in the world.
My niggas ain't no joke, and we keep them blows, so please don't get smoked. Fuck around, don't fuck around.